Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Rinnai Parts is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining the optimal performance and longevity of your Rinnai appliances, ensuring that your water heater, furnace, or fireplace continues to operate efficiently and reliably for years to come, and choosing the right parts can make a significant difference in both functionality and cost-effectiveness. Number 5. Rinnai RU160 in Condensing Tankless Hot Water Heater. Experience unlimited hot water throughout your entire home. Plus, with CircLogic technology, you can reduce wait times for hot water when paired with an external pump. This compact unit saves valuable space in your home. It's also energy efficient, heating water only when you need it, which helps conserve energy. Enjoy a strong and consistent stream of hot water, even when multiple appliances are in use. It can easily handle up to 6 appliances simultaneously. For optimal performance and safety, professional installation is highly recommended. Please visit our website to find a qualified Rinnai Pro in your area. This water heater is built for durability, offering extensive warranties on the heat exchanger, labor, and parts. Optional Wi-Fi monitoring is also available. It's Energy Star qualified, boasting a high uniform energy factor of 0.97, ensuring efficient operation and energy savings. What we like. This unit provides endless hot water, perfect for large families or busy households. Its energy and space efficiency make it a smart choice for modern homes. If you're looking for a reliable, high-capacity water heating solution that can keep up with demand, this is it. What people say. It is pretty quiet. You can hear it in the video. When the family kicks in, it gets slightly louder. We are in 1100 sq foot house and the heater is in the garage. The heater shares a wall with the living room and you can barely hear when fully operational. The water is taking 90 seconds to go from cold to about 110 degrees to the shower, which is the furthest fixture in the house. About 25 to 30 feet of pipe in the crawl space. That's about half the time the old one used to take. Easy to regulate temperature. I have had the washer going and take a shower with the kids flushing the toilet and washing their hands and not lost the hot water with a minimal pressure drop. Number 4. Chromex Tankless Water Heater Flush Kit. Keep your tankless water heater running efficiently for longer. This kit helps maintain and extend its lifespan with ease. Everything you need is included: a powerful pump, hoses, and a certified descaling solution. It's designed for a thorough and effective flush. No matter your brand, this kit is compatible with most tankless water heaters. It's a versatile solution for many homes. Our specially formulated descaler removes harmful scale deposits, improving performance and safety. It's safe for various materials and potable water systems. Get your water heater clean in 30 minutes or less. The included hoses make connection simple, and usage instructions are clear and easy to follow. Manufactured by Chromex, a company dedicated to customer satisfaction. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty and hassle-free returns. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to maintain your tankless water heater. It's designed to work with virtually all major brands, making it incredibly versatile. If you want a hassle-free, all-in-one solution to descale your unit and extend its life, this is the kit for you. What people say. Everything you need is included in one package, which makes flushing a tankless unit straightforward even if you are doing it yourself for the first time. The pump is strong and moves the solution efficiently through the system, and the hoses connect easily to the service valves. The extra long 12-foot hoses made setup incredibly easy, even with my tankless unit being in a tighter spot. Number 3. Chromex Tankless Heater Descaler Kit. Keep your tankless water heater running smoothly with our easy-to-use descaler kit. It helps maintain and extend the lifespan of your unit. Using the kit is simple. Just add 2 to 3 gallons of vinegar or your preferred descaling solution to the included bucket. This 4-piece kit includes everything you need: a 3.5-gallon bucket with a lid, a powerful 1.6 HP pump, and 2 steel hoses. It's designed to be compatible with most major tankless water heater brands, making maintenance accessible for many homeowners. The 6-foot hoses connect easily to your heater's valves. You can clean most units in 30 minutes or less, saving you time. Chromex provides quality tools for DIYers and professionals alike. We offer a 1-year warranty and hassle-free returns for your peace of mind. What we like. This kit offers a cost-effective way to maintain your tankless water heater. It allows you to use your preferred descaling solution, like vinegar, for a more customized approach. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a simple and affordable way to keep your heater running efficiently, this is a great option. What people say. It was very simple, and the results are excellent. I can tell that there was a good amount of residue removed. This kit is so easy to use. Comes with instructions and video online to help with setup. I used regular vinegar and my system is running clean. Works very well and makes the process very simple. The connecting hoses and the pump are of very high quality and the whole process was very easy. Number 2. Rinnai H98-510S Tankless Water Heater Inlet Screen Assembly. Is your tankless water heater not performing as it should? This replacement inlet screen assembly is designed to restore optimal water flow, ensuring your unit works efficiently again. This is a genuine Rinnai part, specifically the H98-510S inlet screen assembly. It's the perfect fit to ensure compatibility and performance with your Rinnai tankless water heater. Crafted with precision and high-quality materials, this part is built to last. You can trust its durability for long-term reliable operation. Experience the renowned quality of Japanese manufacturing. This component is made in Japan, reflecting a commitment to excellence and superior craftsmanship. We guarantee the good quality of this product. Ensure your water heater operates smoothly and efficiently with this reliable replacement part. What we like. This is a genuine replacement part designed to restore optimal water flow to your Rinnai tankless water heater. Its high-quality construction ensures durability and performance. If your unit's water flow has diminished and you need a reliable part to fix it, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Perfect replacement for my Rinnai RUR98i tankless hot water heater. I change this filter about every 6 months. It's a perfect fit, easy to change. I needed to replace and this was an exact replacement. Very easy to replace. Number 1. Rinnai 224079PP Vent Pipe Extension. This product is specifically engineered for venting your gas appliances. It ensures a secure and reliable installation every time. Experience installation assurance with its positive fit and lock system. This design guarantees a secure connection, giving you peace of mind. Featuring 2 layers of pipe, it offers double the protection. This robust construction ensures durability and safety for your venting needs. The seals at every joint are designed to expand and contract with changing weather and temperatures. This prevents flexing or cracking, ensuring long-lasting performance. Installation is safe and easy, as it requires no flammable glues, cements, or solvents. Enjoy a clean and hassle-free setup process. What we like. This vent pipe extension is specifically engineered for safe and reliable gas appliance venting. Its unique locking system ensures a secure and leak-free installation. If you need to extend your existing venting system and prioritize safety and durability, this is the component you should choose. What people say. The Rinnai parts are designed for easy installation and maintenance. These parts are made with high-quality materials ensuring durability and longevity. The product features an advanced control system for precise temperature regulation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.